So the easiest way to tell if a product is saturated is 1, check the ratio of reviews to orders. 2, go ahead and go to Facebook, search up the product to see if there's a ton of videos on that product already. And thirdly, you want to go ahead and search up that product on AliExpress and see how many different suppliers are listing that product. The more there is, the more saturated that product is. So if you guys want to see me go in depth on those 3 different topics, here's a segment from my program showing you how to go ahead and detect if a product is saturated.
So one question that I have is, if we went through the AliExpress finding products using incognito mode and just going through the deals and other stuff and right column, left column, bottom, but it's hard to validate if this product is old or not. So
Correct.
Is there a way to filter this down?
So there's a few different strategies. So one is you could go to Facebook and just search that product and see if there's any ads on it. So you would search pregnant car belt on Facebook, and you could do that now and you'll probably see a bunch of videos. So that's strategy number 1. Strategy number 2, let's do strategy number 1 together first. So go to Facebook, search pregnant car seat. And then based on this, you see a lot already. So you could even go to videos, see all videos, and wow, that is a lot. So this is one strategy to show if a product is saturated and old. As you can see, it's a pretty in-depth intro. This is sort of what I do with a lot of my students, and this is what you get in my program. So if you guys want to go ahead and sort of get what you're seeing here completely for free, times like 1,000 of these videos, click the link below because my program is just filled with these. That's why I'm giving them away on YouTube, because I just have too many. If you guys literally want thousands of these tutorials, step-by-step videos showing you how to go ahead and succeed in dropshipping, click the link below. Either watch a free training, book in a call with me or one of my team members, and we'll go ahead and give you guys a completely free strategy session to see if we can go ahead and actually help you get results. Number 2 is you go to AliExpress and you search up the product. Perfect. So now you want to scroll down and see how many pages of this exact product there is.
Oh yeah. Just like the video, right? Okay.
Correct. And in this case, there's more than 2, let's go 3. Okay, if there's like more than 3 pages, then this is a pretty old product. It's pretty old and saturated. So that is strategy number 2. Now strategy number 3 is you want to sort by most orders.
Yep.
And then you want to open up the top listing. So in this case, the 2,905 orders. And then you see that there's very little reviews in comparison to orders. So that means these 3,000 orders are definitely most likely from dropshippers, because only less than 10% of people left reviews. And on another AliExpress listing that's mainly AliExpress, you have a better ratio of like 30 to 50% of people would leave reviews if they're normal people. So this one looks like it's being dropshipped. So those are 3 different strategies you can use. As you can see, pretty straightforward, very easy strategy. A lot of people ask me this question. Now, here's an easy and straightforward formula that you guys can go ahead and apply. Like, dropshipping is much more easier than you think if you have a proven blueprint to follow. So if you want my proven blueprint, check out the free training in the link below. Book in a call with me or one of my team members where we could go ahead and basically walk you through our whole dropshipping process. Other than that, question of the day, what is your biggest question when it comes to dropshipping? Because I've answered a lot over the last few videos. I want to know if there are other videos that you want me to address. Drop that in the comments below, any questions you have. Before I end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with much more value. Peace.